Hello, I'm Jarlene Rosario. I'm mother language student, mentioned Turing, and in this video I will talk a little about the project that I consider is needed in the area where I did my internship. In this final project, we will be carrying out a project which we consider is missing or international area. On this occasion, I choose to carry on the project a food truck, since I consider it appropriate strategy for the environment and the needs of the client who visit the place. At the beginning in the video of the hotel, they note that it's a very nice place, but it doesn't have something like that for people who are passing through um, who go to the beach that is in front of. My idea arose when I saw the need for people who come waiting something kid like to K away sign. The place I was in was more of the restaurant type, and in case people had the consumer at the place and wait. This area, which is the most important and the need for people to consume, is a project that can have result the moment it's put in practice. Since it's a key point in this area. Food trucks are vehicles such as small truck, caravan, or vans that are adapted to cook and distribute to food. They have completed conditioning where they have constructed kitchen equipment and even smoking structure. In this case, the idea is to plan this project, one for fast food and another for drinks. Since there is enough space outside for this type of business, it's aimed at all types of audience. Children attached to truck, young people who prefer them because they are cheaper, adults looking for fast and reliable options. The main value proposition of a food truck is to offer high quality, especially culinary products at a very affordable price and quickly, without long waits. Unlike the business model of the fast restaurant that is located, the location of the food truck is Ante Plus signs. It's usually a formula for Susan that is located in a space where there is a high traffic of people, such as events that are held in that area. This type of project can have both negative and positive impacts. And positive impact, more than 80% of consumers check online reviews before ordering or eating at a food truck. Therefore, it is important to collect consumer reviews and display them on your website. But you also have to work on them because positive reviews can boost your profit and your reputation. And to do this, you can use your own website and encourage your most loyal customer to leave positive reviews. You can also encourage your customer to use your own app to place orders and leave their review there. On the other hand of negative impact, food trucks face an uncertain economic environment. The coronavirus pandemic has disrupted all markets, including the food truck market. In the COVID-19 has not only caused an health crisis, but also an economic crisis that has had this devastating effect of the market. Food trucks are particularly sensitive to change as this can have an impact on the purchasing power of customer, but also on the cost of product. Like we said, it's necessary to know how to adapt to each situation to ensure the profit of company and avoid bankruptcy. Finally, this business idea has become an important trend in the food industry, and they are extremely common at festival events in a place where people are looking for fats like this place. Quality food option, which is what happened in this case. Additionally, the food truck business model offered entrepreneurs the opportunity to start a food business without having to investing in a traditional restaurant. Medium star costs are significantly lower. Thank you very much. That's all for me.